Hi teachers, here is a part 2 for Wiki Teacher. So if you watched the first introductory video, we just walked through the tabs here from the Wiki Teacher website, the first 3 tabs, and your task was to kind of just, how does this resource benefit you? So this next task is actually going to be really digging into those unwrapped standards. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a mini walkthrough of math. I think we spent most of our time looking at the reading resources in the first video. So here is 6th grade math. I'll go ahead and pick the standard here. So again, it displays very similar to the reading. You have your standard written in a large font at the very top. And then again, the ones I would recommend are the learning targets. This will definitely help provide you with what students need to know and be able to do to really show mastery of that standard. Some of the vocabulary key terms that students will need to understand that you can weave into your lessons. There are essential questions and big ideas that you might want to consider as well. And then for this particular standard, there is a vertical alignment. So you can see how this standard in 4th grade relates, how this other standard in 5th grade will actually support you with teaching this standard, as well as this one here. And then even the 7th grade standards that you're helping prepare students for the following year. The other pieces that we really didn't touch on in the previous video were ELL considerations. So you can see this one really doesn't have too much there, but it does have a link that you might want to check out. And the SBAC one is actually pretty neat too, because when you click here, it'll take you directly to the SBAC resources. So you can see the practice tests are here, the level descriptors. I mean, it just takes you right there, which is great. And then the ones I know we did really look at were the instructional resources. So again, we don't have these adoptions, but when you click on teaching suggestions, it will definitely give you some ideas to consider, which is fantastic. And there are some hyperlinks for this particular standard as well. Sometimes you'll find formative assessment resource here. Sometimes it'll be blank, but it's still worth it to kind of give it a shot, open it up, see what you find. So what I have found in digging through some of the math resources is you might find some ideas for a poster method too, because there's a lot of word problems that have been included in the Wiki Teacher website. So lots to talk about, or even if you want small groups to just kind of tackle it. I know currently we're in distance learning settings, so you probably have some creative ideas of how you're rolling that out, but just wanted to do a little bit of review on how you can utilize this Unwrapped Standards tab at the top to help support you with the tasks that you have for this activity in Alludo. Good luck.